He's a member of that organization.
Nice.
When they have the train day, did you go to that this year?
Yes.
We were there. There was a single module with a loop. I don't remember which module.
I see.
We usually set up for that because he's a member of that. So we
Cool. Well, thanks a lot. It's been great talking to you.
It's going into the tunnel.
Oh yeah, let's see. Ready? 20 more.
Be modified fairly easily. And I think if you have more stuff to it, they might
barely see it.
I don't think the speech.
I'd like to go to Boston on well, we want to. The family in Boston. No, just the
It's wet.
right, that's
Where you put your baggage, suitcases and stuff. Now we're going to come into the cafe bar. This is where you get a snack.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Sun Express. At this time, we're kind of asking you, please keep moving forward.
You got to get a pin.
Please do not take off. Please keep moving forward. For your personal safety, we're asking you if you do look
Up or down? No, let's go up.
How are you today? You don't want to go down? Go up? Everyone wants to go up. All the kids can go up.
I don't understand go down.
All right. No, you can go up or down. I know we everyone Good job. All right. Virtual has something? Fist bump? Gently. Something shot. Yeah, they pulled up. why they pulled up?
This is Amtrak. That makes the seat go up and down.
This is the track geometry part. We test the track. We do tests on the track to make sure they're safe.
I don't know if any of this cars will welcome the geometry stars.
So look, it shows if the tracks are straight or not. That's how they can tell. That's how they test it.
We are track testing.
Not when they have their own limits.
Did you hear what they said? And this is part of the excuse me, man. If it's not, we're gonna have to sit over here. We'll sit in the all one.
You want it to sit there going?
Yeah, well, we can get that way. You can sit in here if they want. The track is room for a kid over here.
Where's what? That car is in Vermont. A town called Manchester, Vermont. Lives in that shed right there. It doesn't travel anymore. He said he's worn out, he's tired, he's just on display, but you can go visit him.
I just see.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
He said he needs an engine.
Yeah, he does.
Maybe you do see train like I'm gonna build.
Baby, don't bounce. Don't bounce, okay? Welcome to sit down, but don't dabble first. How we doing today? Everybody will take, you know, you can take a sleeper car.
What?
You take a sleeper train, you have a bed to Florida.
But he likes.
Really get a picture of
Yeah, the second one.
How's everybody? Okay? Great, thanks.
That's wrong. Is that cold?
Come on.
Yes, you can. Hi, welcome on board.
Yeah, I'm okay, good. Hi.
Spring Hill.
Oh, yeah, oh, good. Yes. Enjoy the beach while you're here.
Hollywood Beach. You can go for rides. Well, the person is renting it.
Does it look like this? Cool.
That's a silver mirror.
It is. It's not yours.
Daddy, look at me.
Inner chimes?
I'm sure.
Very sure of that.
Welcome to First Class Travel in 1934.
Wow.
We're fully operational. We come back of Amtrak train for self-public trips. This last weekend we were in New Orleans.
That's cool.
Tyler.
So we would drive down to get the auto train.